Hi. So I wanted to jump back on to screencast and add one more slide on here of some of the examples of mobile learning. Um, LMS would be used for material that is more confidential and ethical because it is more of a closed access platform. Um, and then there is social media such as Facebook and Twitter, which is great for work that is to be shared with a community and for followers to see instantly. And when you have a group that is geographically dispersed and teamwork is needed, mobile platforms such as Skype or Google Plus Hangout work wonderfully. And then also, if there are different time zones, then if there are different time zones within a team, mobile platforms such as YouTube work wonders because you're able to record like I'm doing now, and classmates can watch it later or as soon as you post it. And when collaborating between teams, things are needed to be easy and flow nicely. So something as easy as taking your phone to a face-to-face meeting is wonderful. Times where learners need to link and associate concepts, a mind mapping tool is useful. And then for geolocation, image recognition, and augmented reality, the first thing that came to my mind was Google Earth. Um, for geolocation, there's just so much that can be done with Google Earth as far as looking up locations. And then they also have where you can take or make different projects. Um, there's also different things that you can do as far as taking a quiz um, and different lessons that you can do within Google Earth. There is also, sorry, there is also voice recognition that um is something to think about when it comes to mobile learning. I love the Translate app that they have in the iPhone. It can be really beneficial for students who don't speak very don't speak English or don't speak it very well, and vice versa. It can be great for teachers that need to communicate with students that don't speak English. Um, I can't think of a scenario right now where it comes to teachers and students, but my sister, she owns a company and she works with her employees. And there is one gentleman that doesn't speak English very well. She was trying to find out what vacation days he wanted. So she pulled out the Translate app on iPhone and they were able to figure it out using that app. So these are just different examples of some of the mobile learning that can be used. And I just wanted to make sure I shared that.